Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you a revamp this week. So this wig has been used for a while, so I'm going to wash it and laundry the wig. So the first anything is to detangle the wig, and that is what I'm doing. So comb it, make sure you brush it inside out, like inside out. Don't leave any part untouched, because if it's not well detangled and you dip it inside water, it's going to be very, very difficult to detangle it when you are done washing. So it's best you detangle it. You can do it like line by line, front and back, inside out. Just ensure that every part is well detangled. Can you see? Okay, so now I'm going to wash it. So I'm not going to show the video of how I wash it, because I've done a video on how I wash my weaves. You can check the description box for that. So now I'm done washing, and as you can see, it's easy to detangle while it's even wet. So I want to roll it up to get the curls, the original curls back. So the kind of curls you want to get depends on the kind of rollers that you use. So I'm using this type of rollers because the curls that came with the hair is very short and quite very coily. So before I roll it on the rollers, I have my spraying bottle right there, and in the spraying bottle I have some oil moisturizer, I have water, and what's this product called again? They call it setting lotion. So I have those four stuff in the spraying bottle. So I spray it on it before I roll it. So what I want to do always determine what I put in the spraying bottle. So most of the time, so that is my spraying bottle. So it depends on how I want the curls to be, will determine what I put in the spraying bottle most of the time. So for this one, I only use my oil moisturizer. There is no conditioner in there, so I use oil moisturizer. So, and I'm just going to keep rolling it. So to roll it, you just pick some section, you detangle it, you start from the roots all the way to the top, and then the small part of it you take it back to the middle so that it will not unravel before you are done. So you start from the root all the way up and take the little one back to the middle, and you can see the rolling looks so nice and perfect. So I made this wig actually, so that is why I made this wig for the person like a year ago. Is it a year, or I can't remember? It's more than a year, and this is the second time I'm washing it. So what happened is they used a whole bottle of mousse on it, and the whole thing became something else. So, but when you have a good hair, you have nothing to worry about, right? So if you have a good hair, when you do hair laundry, you see that you get your hair back in shape. So I'm going to roll it all the way until I'm done, like rolling everything. So yeah, so after rolling, I'm going to steam it up. So I steam it up with hot. It depends on what is available for me to use when I'm done. So I use whatever that is available, but I always like to steam it up. That makes the curl stay longer. If you don't have anything like you can use, when you are done, you can put it in a bowl and pour very hot water, like 100 degrees centigrade water. Pour it on it, cover it up with your towel or something very thick. Just ensure that you cover it up, leave it for a while, remove it, put it back on the mannequin and wait for it to dry. That is one way. Another way is if you have the steaming machine, you can use it to steam it. Another way you can steam is you do the double boiling method. So you put it in a bowl, you put water on fire, then inside the water in your pot you put something like maybe like something of a stainless steel nature. Then you place the bowl on it, so the bowl is not directly inside the water in the pot. You cover it up, you reduce the heat, allow it to steam up. Yeah, so allow it to steam up and take it out. That way the hair or the weaves, the wig dries faster than when you dip it inside the hot water. So that is steaming. So you can steam in so many. All you just need is heat, like serious heat. A lot of time that helps the curls to stay longer. And to be sincere with you, there's no curls that is permanent. So when you get it, you enjoy it and you redo it over time. So even factory curls, a lot of the time you still have to recoil it. So no curls is permanent. So don't be looking for a permanent curls. But when it's steamed up, you enjoy it and it stays longer. So I'm going to steam it, get back to you. So I steam it up, I allow it to dry. Can you see the curls? Oh my god. So I'm just going to unravel it now and you can see how the curls came out. So when I sewed this hair to the owner, this is how the curls were. The curls were like this. So we are getting it back, and as you can see, the hair you saw at the beginning is not the same thing. So that is one good thing about good hair. Like when you learn, you'll be happy to have it back. So also sorry, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, and if you're a new subscriber, like this is your first time, you're welcome to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up. Like I always say, leave a comment of anything you like us to do or what you like to see more on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like kindly subscribe to this channel. So I think I'm done unraveling it now, and as you can see, okay, I'm not done. So just watch. Oh my, yeah, I'm done. That's the last one. Can you see how beautiful this is? So I'm going to put my extra hold because I need these curls to stay and be beautiful like this. Okay, so I'm going to unravel the curls like a little bit so that it will close up all the gaps. So even when you unravel, you still see that you still have your curls, like you still have the curls. So just watch. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification button so that you don't get to miss anything I upload like every week, every week. There's no week I don't upload. So thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.